As the drone glides higher, the spillway reveals its harmony with the landscape, a tranquil rhythm of water, light, and life. It's more than just an engineering feat. It's a serene reminder of how people and nature coexist in the timeless charm of Baao, the Pidan city. From high above the peaceful community of Baao, the drone's lenses captures the mesmerizing beauty of the spillway, a striking meeting point of nature and human ingenuity. As the drone glides effortlessly through the sky, the spillway reveals itself like a silver ribbon flowing through emerald fields. Its waters glistening under the warm kiss of the sun. The gentle rush of water blends with the distant hum of rural life, painting a perfect picture of calm and harmony.